Hey everyone, Chris here. We're on zero this morning. It is cold, a freezing morning. So what better time to show you the features that this jacket has. What I was impressed by was the amount of heated areas. You got heating in the arms, in the chest, and on the back. It is a soft shell jacket with 5 pockets. Inside the zip is an LED controller with preheat and 3 temperature settings. The jacket itself is powered by any of Dewalt's 18-volt battery range, and the battery plugs into an adapter. But it also has a USB input, so you can charge your cell phone at the same time as running the jacket. What I found when wearing the jacket and wearing my tool belt at the same time, having the battery in my pockets was a bit cumbersome. The jacket also comes with an extension lead, so I used the extension lead and I was able to store the battery and adapter in my tool belt. So why buy a heated jacket? Well, for starters, it's warm. I generally start it on the hottest setting and then I'll dial it back to the lowest setting once I've warmed up. What I find when wearing this jacket is I don't have to wear as many layers underneath, which gives you greater mobility on site. You don't feel as restricted. You're naturally going to be more efficient because your body's going to maintain an operating temperature. Especially if you're sitting down having lunch, you're not going to cool down too much. Once you get up, take a while to get into it, warm up. You're just staying warm, staying functional. And you might think, just work harder, just keep moving, stay warm by working. Well, some jobs you don't get to move around when you're working. You might be stuck on the shady side of the building with a cold southerly breeze coming through. So when you're wearing the jacket, you're going to be more efficient because you're less concerned about the temperature, more concerned about the task that you're working on. If you're the boss and you find that you're traveling around different sites and standing around having site meetings, or if you're a foreman and you find that a lot of your time spent standing there just looking at plans, then this jacket's ideal as well, because if you're not moving, you're not going to be warm, and if you're standing still, you're going to be cold. So the heated jacket compensates for that lack of movement. There you have it. That's my quick rundown on this jacket. I hope that it's given you a bit of insight into the features and benefits of owning this jacket. Stay warm out there. Have a good one.